So this box just arrived. I have a pretty good idea what I think is inside here. If I'm right, it is the pre-order copies of my new book, Inner Defence. So pretty exciting day. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. Let's see. Wow, pretty cool. Well, a lot of work went into this. It took an entire year to write. A lot of research went into this. I drew a lot from my own personal experience and my own practice of inner management skills, and drawing from the experiences from all the first responders that I've been extremely lucky to work with, and of course, and security and risk management professionals that I've had the opportunity to work with. So let's take a look. Da, da, da. Wow, pretty cool, right? Yeah, they are. Hardcover. Looks really great. I was a bit nervous, right, when you have to put things like this together and you finally see it in the flesh, in the physical copy. So yes, if you were one of those amazing people, and again, I super appreciate it, that pre-ordered the book, I'm going to be spending a lot of time today signing these books, writing a personal note to you, and then sending them off to you. And I will put a link in underneath the video for anybody that's interested to go out and get a copy. You can buy a copy now. In due course, it will be available on other platforms like Amazon and so forth. Of course, thanks to everybody for their support. As you know, writing a book isn't an easy task. I'm excited about this project. I believe in everything I wrote in this book. I've used everything in this book in my own life. It's the things that help me manage the turmoil of everyday living, and of course, just being better at what I do in my own work environment and being a better professional. Thank you.